Hey, a quick tutorial on how to access NIDA. And first thing you got to make sure is you're using Internet Explorer. Now, Microsoft Edge looks like Internet Explorer, but it's not the same. And so I have to come down here and find Internet Explorer. And it opened in another window, so I'm going to drag it over here in just a second. And that way you can see it. So now I'm in Internet Explorer. And I'm going to try to move this window where you can see the address. There we go. Of course, you probably have the address. I guess I was moving it more for me than you. So I'm going to go to Portal. Now what I have to do is hit this little gear and do Compatibility View. If oftc.edu is not here, it will not work. It'll look like I'm typing in a password, but I'm not. So I've unset that. So I'm going to hit Compatibility View once again. And you see I have the capability to add this. So now I'm going to log in, and if I can remember my login, which is always half the challenge. And there we go. But if I don't set that compatibility view, or if I'm not using Explorer, it's just going to look like I'm putting in the wrong password every time, which I suspect is probably what's happening to you. So give that a whirl. If that doesn't work, give me a call or hit me up on email. Thanks.